Hello, welcome everyone to Akaya's Kitchen. I'm making today a quick and easy meal. It's going to be a $9 meal. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to make it. I will be making some fried potatoes and some salmon patties. When I say, guys, I love salmon patties. They are so good. That's a quick and easy meal that does not cost a lot of money. I am trying to save more money when it comes to meals and stuff. So I am doing meal prep more. I would love for you guys to go ahead and follow me and just check me out. I know now times are very hard, things are very expensive, and I love to be able to make good meals for less than whatever I can do. So this meal again is going to be my $9 meal. I'm going to show you how I do the potatoes and how I do the salmon patties. Do you like salmon patties? If so, go ahead and comment below. Go ahead and check me out, and I'll show you how I make this meal. And also, go ahead and subscribe. I thank you guys so much for all my new subscribers. I am officially 71,000 subscribers strong. If you have not subscribed, what are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe and follow as well. But again, guys, check me out and I will be back. Okay? Now rinse them. Okay, guys, hopefully this video helped you out and hopefully you'll be able to get to save you some money as well. I am officially done. My salmon croquettes are done. Yay or nay? Do you like salmon croquettes? Do this look good to you? I hope it do. And now I'm about to go ahead and get this all cleaned up. I always like to clean up my mess before I eat. Now I am about to take out my fried potatoes. They are smelling good, smelling good, smelling good. Get all that stuff out the hot grease. Right now I'm actually getting my salmon patties out the hot grease. And I am officially done with my meal. Hopefully that helped you. Make sure you are very, very careful because you know we are messing with hot oil. There they are. There they are, y'all. Hold on, wait 1 minute. I'm going to show you a better picture of them. There they go. Okay, guys, you can make as many as you want. And also, I am done with my fried potatoes as well. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below how these look to you. Okay, bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.